Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to discuss some Python interview questions and answers. These questions are helpful for your learning and preparation journey. So let's get started. Alright, our first question is why Python is called integrated language? And answer for this question is Python is called an integrated language because it executes code line by line instead of compiling the entire program at once. This makes debugging easier as errors are shown immediately when they occur. Our next question is what is dynamic typing? And answer for this question is dynamic typing means you don't need to specify the data type of a variable in advance. Python automatically decides the type at runtime, and the same variable can store different types of values at different times. For example, a variable can first store a number and later a string. Our next question is what are mutable and immutable objects? And answer for this question is mutable objects are those whose values can be changed after creation, like list. For example, you can modify elements inside a list. Immutable objects cannot be changed once created, like integers or strings. If you try to modify them, Python creates a new object instead of changing the original one. Our next question is difference between is and double equal to operator, and answer for this question is double equal to operators is used to compare values while the is operator is used to compare the memory location of objects. If two variables have the same value, equal to operator returns true, but is returns true if both variables refer to the exact same object in the memory. Alright, our next question is what is none in Python? And answer for this question, none in Python is used to represent the absence of a value. It is not the same as 0, false or an empty string. It is simply means nothing. For example, you can assign none to a variable when it has no value yet and later check it using is none. Our next question is use of id function, and answer for this question is the id function in Python returns the unique identity of an object, which is usually its memory location. It helps to check whether two variables are pointing to the same objects or not. Alright, our next question is what is use of range function? And answer for this question is the range function is used to generate a sequence of numbers mainly for looping. It takes start, stop and step values. The step value is not included. For example, range 1, 5 will generate numbers from 1 to 4 which are then used in the loop. Next question is what are membership operators in Python? And answer for this question is membership operators in Python are used to check whether a value exists in a sequence like a list, string or tuple. The in operator returns true if the value is present and not in returns true if the value is not present. For example, if 2 is inside a list, 2 in list will return true. Alright, our next question is what are identity operators in Python? And answer for this question is identity operators in Python are used to check whether two variables refer to the same object in memory. The is operator returns true if both variables point to the same object, while is not returns true if they point to different objects. For example, if one variable is assigned to another, both refer to the same object, so is returns true? Alright, our next question is difference between argument and parameter. And answer for this question is a parameter is a variable defined in a function, while an argument is the actual value passed when calling the function. For example, in a function greet, name is parameter. When we call greet John, the value John is the argument passed to the parameter. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.